Empty your mind. Be formless, shapeless, like water.
Hello everyone, and here I'm back doing the Euro USD chart analysis for today's trade. So let's get started. First of all, let's take a look at the news we are having. It's July 15, and we are having news at 6 p.m. Indian Standard Time, of course. So be cautious at this timing because the price could be really volatile, and which is not ideal for smaller time frame trades. So let's move to the charts now. So this is the monthly chart, and what we can see is that the price is sweeping the previous high of the monthlies, and we are going down. And it's already been about 14 to 15 days, and the price is not as much volatile as the previous candles move. So let's move to the weeklies to see what do we have inside this candle uh, range over here. So this is the weekly chart, and what we see is that the price was previously sweeping the highs, and this candle confirmed that the price is bullish, and currently we are within this FVG range. But precisely, I'm anticipating that most likely we can come down to mitigate this area of flip which had happened in the market. So I'm anticipating that most likely we can come down to mitigate this area, and then the price is going to move into the either direction. So let's move to the dailies now. As we move into the dailies, what we see is that the scenario is pretty much clear. The price was sweeping and we pushed higher. This was the candle which was responsible for it. So currently what we are doing is we are closing within the previous candles range, that is over here. You can see from this candle to this candles range, and now from particularly this candle to this candles range, which means that the price is really into the stuck zone. And currently if you're trading, then most likely the price is respecting the order block instead of the ABGs. So let's move to the 4 hours now. As we move into the 4 hour, what we see is that even the 4 hour is quite in congestion zone, and there is nothing much clear over here too, because we are having one FVG at this point, but that doesn't make any sense because it is still within the previous candles range, that is over here. So if we are going to break outside of this particular area, then I'm going to conclude that we are most likely bullish into the market. Else, I'll be waiting for the price to break this low with the candle closure and mitigate this area, or this high will be my ultimate decision making point from where I'm going to get indulged into the market. So this is pretty much it. Do write me into the comments that how are your trades going within these areas of congestion, and how are you targeting for key levels. So till then, uh, if you're looking for scalps, most likely the intermediate highs and lows will be helpful. Till now, I won't be getting involved in this overall congestion zone for now, and I'll be updating it as soon as I see any opportunity. So this is pretty much it. Thank you for watching.